Thank you for listening to Ingram Law. As always, we appreciate you being a guest. Our website is joeingramlaw.com. Again, joeingramlaw.com. Our phone number is 205-335-2640. As always, we take your questions off the air and we will get back to you. Tonight, our topic is being a felon in possession of a firearm charged in federal court. If you have been convicted of a felony in Alabama, you are not legally allowed to own or possess a firearm. I understand that people sometimes make mistakes. I also understand that you may be the victim of mistaken identity or may have been involved in a situation that was out of your control. When you are charged with being a felon in possession of a firearm, I am ready to defend you. If you are arrested for such a violation, you may have violated conditions of your probation and have your punishment increased. You may be facing serious jail time. Do not face this possibility without the representation of an attorney on your side. Please call us at Ingram Law, 205-335-2640. We return all calls within 24 hours. Our goal is to provide you with sophisticated, aggressive, and superior criminal defense. Your rights are our priority, and we have a history of defending a lot of people just like you charged with being a felon in possession of a firearm. We are able to defend you in cases throughout Alabama and in any federal district court, whether it be the Northern District of Alabama, the Middle District of Alabama, or even down in Mobile, the Southern District of Alabama. We are here to help you and represent you. At Ingram Law, we have successfully been able to get gun charges dismissed for people. In fact, there is a case on our website where someone was charged with being a felon in possession, 18 U.S.C. 922 G1, which is felon in possession of a firearm. In this case, the confidential informant gave information to the government agents concerning our client possessing a firearm in his vehicle. The firearm was located during the course of a traffic stop. After we got the initial discovery in the case and we held a motion to suppress hearing, requesting that the government disclose the name of the informant as it related to our client's defense, the government was unable to provide the name of the informant. Therefore, the case was dismissed. At Ingram Law, we will always do our best to achieve the same or similar result for you. We will diligently study the facts of your case and provide you with an aggressive and sophisticated defense that gives you an excellent chance of avoiding further punishment. It is possible to fight being a felon in possession of a firearm charge. Being charged with illegal possession of a firearm is very serious. If possible, our goal is to have the charges reduced or dismissed. In many of these cases, the defenses may be procedural defenses, either civil rights defenses and or fact-based defenses, which are legitimate. In order to gain a conviction, the prosecutor must prove both your intent to possess and control over the firearm. It is in my experience as a criminal defense lawyer, I have found that someone other than the convicted felon was keeping a firearm in the house, often a girlfriend or a relative. In some cases, such as when neither the residence nor the utilities are in your name, we may be able to demonstrate that you had no intent to possess a gun since the home is not your residence. In a number of our cases, clients are accused as being in legal possession of a gun just because they were riding in a car with another person who was carrying a firearm. In such cases, we may look into whether the traffic stop was legal or whether the police violated your rights during the search. As always, your rights are always our top concern, and I will dedicate myself to protecting your rights. Feel free to give us a call at 205-335-2640 or look us up on the internet, joeingramlaw.com. As always, we always say at the end of the show, take care of yourself and each other and have a good night. No representation is made that the quality of the legal services to be performed is greater than the quality of legal services performed by other lawyers.